Guys, prop firm regulation, has it made its way to the Forex industry? Let's talk about it by answering some questions from a previous video. All right, guys, starting with question number 1. Do you think this will happen to FTMO? So that is a great question. Personally, I don't think this is going to be affecting FTMO or any of the FTMO challenges or funded accounts. I personally have an account with them as well. The reason being is because they are from Czech Republic, so they are not in North America. So this is something that is great because obviously it has nothing to do with the regulations and the laws that they have here in North America are completely different than anywhere else. So that is something that is great news for most traders that are with FTMO. However, we do have to be cautious, right? And understand that anything could happen, right? There is obviously a certain level of risk and certain level of uncertainty with anything. So always keep that in the back of your mind, guys. Like I always say with trading, you know, everything has a certain level of risk and you have to go into it knowing that, hey, you know what, there's a chance or a probability that this might not go in my favor and you might lose some money. So always keep that in the back of your mind. All right, guys, moving on to question number 2. Does this affect people in other parts than US and Canada, or is this frozen for all countries? So that is a great question. This question is basically, if you have an account with with myforexfunds, it doesn't matter what part of the world you are in, you are going to be affected by this. No one can get any payouts right now. If you go on their actual website, so if we check it out right now and you go to the website that we were looking at yesterday, you guys could see this is the actual myforexfunds.com. So this is their actual main website. This is the message they have laid out. So absolutely, this is no ifs, ands, or buts. Everyone's being affected by this, regardless of where you are. All right, moving on to question number 3. If they resolve it, would it still have the valuation challenges or will it be gone? So that is something that we don't know, right? It's still up in the air. Depending on what happens after the hearing in the court date, we'll know. So we'll have a lot more information mid-September. So the first court date will be the 11th, and then the second one will be a week after in Canada. So those are dates that we have to be aware of, but it's a process that won't be rushed. So keep that in mind. That's going to be something that's going to take some time. All right, the next question is, bro, I'm getting good now. Will they at least refund my challenge so I can get with another prop firm? I wish it was that easy, my man. Hopefully you can. I think we're gonna have to wait again till September. However, you could try with your bank. Again, that's not my financial advice. That's just my personal opinion. I would try and see if maybe your bank is, you can kind of explain to them, hey, this company just kind of disappeared or whatever, and see what happens, see what they say. But that's kind of my opinion on that sense for that question. And lastly, guys, we have another question. Obviously, you guys are probably looking at other prop firm options. There are still other prop firm options. Just make sure that you don't find one that's in Canada or in the States. It's really important, guys, because these rules are different for each country, right? So there's going to be a lot more regulation here in Canada and in the States. Hence, that's why we're dealing with myforexfunds right now. So if you could see here, this last question was, which other prop firm has no time limit? So to answer your question, basically most of the prop firms now don't have any time limits anymore. So that's actually pretty great. So yeah, I hope that you found this video informative, guys. If you're new to the family, welcome. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure that notifications are turned on. Also, make sure you guys check out my other videos if you haven't already. We post every single day. We do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Also, make sure you guys are connected to our Telegram community, guys. We have an amazing community on there. And if you're looking to take my signals as well, guys, make sure you guys check out my VIP Inner Circle. The link is in the video description below, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll catch you guys until the next video. Bye for now.